Cheer. Y'all know who I be. Educate yourself, then state yourself. It is what it is. It's Pop in Jamaica. Y'all know when y'all see me, this strictly for you. Because I'm here for my peoples right now. I'm a racist for my peoples right now. You feel me? Know what I mean? Well, let's get straight to the point. Whether you a scammer, drug dealer, however you get your money, cryptocurrency is the way to go. The way to grow, as a matter of fact. So you need to get involved with that cryptocurrency. There's no other way out. I'm letting you know now. Crypto is heaven. No feds, no IRS, no one telling you what to do with your money in which you done made for yourself. You feel me? These people want to control the money that I made. I made my own money. Why you trying to control that? You didn't help me. You didn't give me any assist. I came up with an idea. I used my intellectual, earthly sense that the universe gave me in order to survive. Now you want to take half or a percentage of mine. It ain't gonna work anymore. What bank? I'm my own bank. Matter of fact, I'm my own vault. My earthly bank accounts are empty because all my money is in the virtual world. At my disposal, do what I want, buy what I want with it on a small scale. So just imagine when I get, you know what I mean? So the best thing to invest in right now is yourself. I could show you the way, but I can't force you to do anything. You know what I mean? And by showing you the way, I'm a prime example of what I'm trying to show you. Education is key. Educate yourself, then state yourself. Take a look in the mirror and rate yourself. It is what it is. If you're looking for a God to pray to, you could get on your knees and pray to me if that's what you'd like, because I wouldn't want you to give that energy to a pagan or no one who ever existed. So if you want to give someone energy, give me the energy. You know what I mean? But if you really want someone to give that energy to, you give it to your mother and your father who brought you into this world. Because without them banging, you wouldn't be here. Because there's no mysterious babies being born or, you know what I mean? Educate yourself, then state yourself. Now back to the crypto. You know what I'm saying? There are a lot of cryptos out there on the rise, moving. And even if you don't want to participate in nothing, you just want your a lot of money that you already got to sit and grow. It could sit and grow 100%, and all of the 100% interest will be yours. See, I'm trying to explain it to you without the executive words, if you know what I mean. I'm getting my people who probably never went to school or whatever the case may be, don't have the knowledge for the crypto world. I'm giving it to you as simple as possible. You feel me? Educate yourself, then state yourself. Things that's going on in this world nowadays ain't no game. So to my Jamaican people in the Norwagwan already, I'm not here to style you or lead you astray. I'm putting you on that straight path to glory, to victory, to self-reliance, self-independence, self-everything. The Bank of Jamaica already said it. Digital currency, here we come, and they're not gonna give you what you're supposed to get. So why not have your own digital empire set up for yourself, and you could start off small. You know what I mean? You're gonna need a wallet. You know what I mean? A crypto wallet to control all your assets. So you ain't gotta have 5, 6, 10 wallets if that's what, you know what I mean? You could just have one wallet, monitoring your regular money, your everyday pay, everything, bam. It is what it is. The secret, you're going to have to contact the professor for that. And to get the major discount, you know what I mean? Meaning you ain't got to pay for nothing anyway. You know what I mean? But to get the professor's attention, just tell him Knock Life sent you. KNOCKLIFE. Knock Life sent you. The professor's telephone number, 876-775-1921. Let's get it. You get your nice Crypto Waves wallet and you in it to win it. The professor got you. You know what I mean? You get your Bit to Music token. Ooh. Now the Bit to Music token is off the register music, distribute music, everything that has to do with the music fraternity. The Bit to Music token take care of all that. You ain't got to go nowhere no more to do nothing. Bit to Music token take care of all that, and that belongs to the professor. It's all about, listen, it's getting too serious out there. What I'm playing is even better than video games, because I'm playing with sense. I'm watching cents become millions. They know what kind of game I'm playing. They know how sweet it is to just have your flat screen set up with all your money on it going up, down, all around, purchasing that house, that car, helping out your family member over there, taking care of this stranger who you don't know from nowhere, because your money can do so. You know what I mean? If you ain't got it, you can't give. And I'm the type that love to give. My hype is giving, sharing, caring. That's my hype. I get gully for that. I get gully for the simple fact that I can help someone. It feels sweet. What can I assist you with? There you go. You know what I mean? No one can take me for a fool. I'm comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Education is key. Big currency. Cryptocurrency. It is what it is. So make sure you contact the professor. You know what I mean? Ask him about that. If you're in music, all that, royalties, Bit to Music token. You know what I mean? These tokens going up. You know what I'm saying? You got to get involved in crypto to them. Listen, I'm in Jamaica, so I'm talking to my Jamaican people. You don't have to believe me. Don't take my word for it. Do your research, then get at me. You know what I mean? Because that's what's going to happen. You're going to do your research. You're going to be hearing more and more about it. And you're going to always remember